Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a homeware haul for everything that I have bought over the last couple months. I'm hopefully buying a condo in the next few months, so I've been stocking up and I wanted to show you what I bought. Okay, so the first thing that I picked up a few months ago were these cute little honeycomb pink ramekins. And the set of 4 was under $10. I believe they might have been $9.99. I know that they still have quite a bit. This is the brand that I got them from, but I know that they have a bunch of different brands and different patterns, a lot of white ones as well. At the time, I thought pink was a good idea. I probably would have gotten white had I thought about it a little bit more, but then I just got the matching jar. This is $7.99, and it is the same brand, obviously. And then the last thing that I grabbed from the same brand, I believe, actually this is a different brand, but it's very similar. This one was $6.99, and it's just the same honeycomb, so it is very cute. And then more recently, the other day, I picked up these slimmer white ones. It came with a pack of 2. They look like this, and the pack of 2 was $9.99. What I thought these would be good for is loose tea bags, because I did buy another thing I'll show you guys for the tea bags that come in packaging, but for just the loose leaf ones, I'm just going to throw it in there. And then the next thing I got right here is a dish set. It was actually open stock dishes, and I just bought enough for a set. I didn't get the 4th bowl, but I am on the hunt for that. My store just didn't have it, and this was all from Winners. And these are from Real Canadian Superstore, so these are stoneware. So they are dishwasher and microwave safe. They are just the Real Canadian Superstore in-house brand. And the reason why I picked these up before we moved out was because they were $1.44 a piece, which made this entire stack of them only $17, I believe, which is a very good price for stoneware. I've heard that maybe they chip a little bit faster than like a Corelle dish, but we will experience that once it comes to it, and if we need to replace them, we replace them, but for that price, that is a good starter set. The next thing that I got is from Costco, and it's just the Contigo Luxe, like, portable coffee mug. And I like these ones because the little lid actually kind of like snaps apart like that, so it's easier to clean, and also they can go in the dishwasher. You do get a little bit of residue when you use them in the dishwasher, so I like to hand wash them anyway. But the next thing that I grabbed are these produce keepers. They just have a little bit of venting in the bottom, so it absorbs the water and keeps it away from your produce. And this set of 3 was $19.98, again at Real Canadian Superstore. I know that Rubbermaid makes their own, and I'm sure it's probably better than this no-name, but for the price, I'm going to give it a go. My favorite purchase over the last few months was this OXO pop container set. These retail for like between $5.99 to $12.99 a piece at Winners, and I actually picked this up at Shoppers. They had it on for $29.99 on one of their weekly ads, and it was the week that you got $10 back if you spent $30, so I actually got this whole set of 5 for $19.99, and I am so excited to use this. I love how you can label your containers with the Cricut. It's just going to be super convenient and really cute in our cabinet. I also picked up 2 of these Disney mugs. I could not resist, and I like to have my coffee or my tea in the mug when I'm at home for the day, so they were $7.99 each. The first one is this really plain and simple white one. It just has poo on one side, and then it just says, "Be kind, be happy, be you," and I just thought that was super adorable. And the other one, which is literally my favorite mug I've ever seen on the planet, it is the entire lineup of the Toy Story cast from, I believe, all the way up to Toy Story 3, because there's Forky, but this is amazing. I cannot wait to use it. I have a bunch of mugs already, so that's why I only bought 2, but I have been saving this one for when I move into my own place and I can take my first cup of tea in this beautiful Toy Story mug. And I also picked up these Stitch shot glasses. These were $9.99 because it is Disney. They're a little bit more expensive, but how cute are these little Stitch mugs? I think these are hilarious and would look really cute on like a little bar display, so that's where they're gonna go. The next thing that I picked up is just from IKEA. I don't go to IKEA super often, so I figured I would just pick it up while I was there, even though we could obviously grab these once we move out. They're just a set of 4 little thin dish towels. I just really liked how they were very neutral. They basically will blend into any kitchen, no matter what tile and paint color we end up with. And then from HomeSense, I picked up a pack of 2 hand towels for the bathroom. They're just a neutral white and black. I thought they were super cute. They're very soft, which I like, and they were originally $14.99 and I got them on clearance for either $5 or $7. The next thing that I got is this caddy that I was talking about. So you put your tea bags that come in the wrappers in here, and then you could put sugar packets or K-cups or stir sticks or anything you want in the front. And this was $7.99 from Winners. It is BPA free, so you can use it in the fridge with open produce if you wanted to, but I will see what we end up using that for. This one wasn't really specifically for when we move out. I'm probably going to use them sooner for parties, and like you can use them for muffins, or they're little cups for snacking, which I thought were really cute. So you get 50 for $6.99, and they have so many different prints, but I thought these were the most gender neutral, so I love these. And then I picked up 2 of these Sistema, which is one of my favorite brands. It's made in New Zealand and it's BPA free. They have these at London Drugs, but they also have them at Winners. I think Winners might be a little bit cheaper, and they were each $6.99. And it comes with a little measuring cup. It even has a little handle, which is super cute, and it has up to a full cup on there, and then it also has milliliters, which is really nice. And the reason that I picked up 2 of these is because I thought we could use one for sugar and one for flour when we move out, because it's just nice to have that stuff on hand even if you don't bake all the time. The next item is actually from Dollarama. It is the eye design with the spruce, and it is this deep hanging drawer organizer. I also picked them up in a longer size. I just didn't get them out of storage, but these were $4 each. And this is what they look like from the side. So you actually can hang them off the inside of your kitchen cabinets if they're deeper, and you can put cutlery or utensils or anything like that into these, and then you don't have to be digging through the bottom. I also think it would be cool to put like Ziploc bags in here, so they're easier to grab and then they're out of the way. The last thing that I picked up is also from Eye Design. This one was actually from Costco. It's a 4-pack, and again, they're BPA free, and they are usable in the fridge, freezer, or pantry, which is really nice. And I just figured this would be nice either in the pantry to sort dry items, or even in the fridge just to give our fridge a little bit more organization. As you can see on the bottom, they give you ideas. But I believe I got this on the week that they were on sale at Costco for $19.99. So a little bit more expensive, but definitely cheaper than Canadian Tire, which is honestly ridiculous for how much they can charge for just one of these acrylic containers. So that's going to be it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Like this video if you enjoyed this type of content, because we will be continuing to stock up on things as they come up on sale before we move out. And I will keep you guys in the loop if we do end up buying a condo in the next few months here, because I feel like the content that comes with buying a condo is endless, and I'm very excited. So please subscribe if you enjoy, and you can come along on the journey. Thanks, guys.